Hi guys, this is Ram again from ZY Shop Branded Overon. So I'm the owner and founder of ZY Shop. So today we will discuss about mind your own business, be the boss of your own business today. So ayan. So who is ZY Shop? Ipakilala ko lang sa inyo, no? Kung sino nga ba si ZY Shop na gusto ninyong pasukin, no? Sino kami bilang kumpanya at sino kami bilang individual. CY Shop is a direct selling company carrying apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products. So we are working through a network of distributors who sell our products through e-commerce. So direct selling plus e-commerce. C-Shop was founded by Miss Mary Rose Ramdagdag, so that's me, to provide an opportunity for thousands of people to start their own business and fulfill their potential. Because I believe na bawat Pinoy may potential. Kailangan lang nating hanapin, kailangan lang nating tuklasin yung potential natin. The dream of being financially secure has become more attainable. So I was awarded for World Class Achiever and was known for Outstanding Lady Entrepreneur for 2020, and thank you for that. So back in 2014, I just set out a goal to build a business not only for me, but also for other people to start their own business in a minimum capital and have their own direct selling plus e-commerce business, because I always believe in the power of online selling with the power of social media. I wanted to give a woman an opportunity to become their own boss. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang bawat Pinoy kayang-kaya nilang magtagumpay sa larangan ng negosyo. Recently awarded for World Class Excellence and an Asia Pacific Excellence Awardee. So, si ZY Shop hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas kinilala. Kinilala lang po kami sa buong bansa. So, for World Class Excellence Achiever, World Class Excellence Awardee, an Asia Pacific Excellence Awardee. 5 taon na po kami sa industriya na ito. You can check that on Facebook then and also in Google, ano. Matagal na kami sa industriya, kaya kung nanaisin mong sumama sa amin, so let's join together and let's start our business, no? So are you ready for a great adventure of entrepreneurship? So this is my gold members, World Class Achiever, the Circle of Successful Filipino Entrepreneurs, Empowered Pinay, Entrepinay, mga lehitimong online seller ng Pilipinas. We are together for 5 years. So kung kaya naming magtagal together as business partner, kaya mo din. Ang kailangan mo lang magsimula na ngayon. Start. Hindi ka naman makakaakyat sa second floor kung hindi ka hahakbang sa unang hakbang. Ganon din sa negosyo. Kailangan mong magsimula. Starting is your foundational key to success. On any goal naman sa buhay natin. Kung may goal ka sa buhay mo, kailangan mo na tong simulan. Huwag mo nang ipagpasa bukas pa ang mga bagay na kaya mong gawin ngayon. Whenever I see people, I always see 3 W's. Their wound, their wish, and their work. Because from your wound, maybe your wound is poverty. Maybe your wound is the people who never believes in you. Siguro yung mga bagay na, alam nyo ba guys, when we have failures in life, it is not God's rejection. Dahil may mga bagay tayong nakukuha ng hindi natin hinihiling. At merong mga bagay tayong hinihiling na hindi ibinibigay. Hindi ibig sabihin, ayaw ni God na ibigay sa atin yun. Hindi ibig sabihin na madamot si God. It is God's way of redirecting us to the right path. Maybe your deepest wound is nawalan ka ng trabaho, nahihirapan ka. Poverty is our deepest wound. But from your deepest wound comes your miracle, your wish. You are like saying to the universe, this is what I want. Comes your work. How hard you will work for it. Ano ba talagang goal mo sa buhay? Wala namang employee forever eh. Kapag nag-retire ka, negosyo ang sisimulan mo. Kapag OFW ka, umuwi ka sa Pilipinas, negosyo ang sisimulan mo. So why not start your business today? So if you want to have financial freedom, plan it. If it is your dream, achieve it. Whenever we wake up early in the morning, merong dalawang bagay or meron tayong dalawang choice. It's either matutulog tayo at papangarapin natin yon or gigising tayo at i-achieve natin yon. So, nasan ka doon ngayon? We all make choices. But in the end, our choice makes us. Maybe what you are right now, you are an employee. The dream job that you have right now is part of your dreams, is part of your choice before. Now, we are giving you a choice to start your own business and build your own future and attain financial freedom. Or you are going to continue dreaming to have one. Huwag mong pangarapin, i-achieve mo. Be your own boss. Are you ready to be your own boss? So are you ready to this great adventure of entrepreneurship? Bakit ka pa magre-reseller kung kaya mo namang maging supplier? Be our major distributor today. Be our business partner. Be an entrepreneur. So how ZY can help you? Ano nga bang meron si ZY Shop? Ano? So, ZY Shop, 5 years na po kami sa industriyang ito. Kung meron kang taong mapagkakatiwalaan, kumpanyang mapagkakatiwalaan sa paglago ng negosyo mo, malamang si ZY Shop na yan. Kasi marami kang makikitang tatak ZY sa Facebook. Pwede mo yan i-search, no? Let's go ahead and search hashtag tatak ZY Shop, no? I-search natin, ano ang kwentong ZY mo? Search natin. And let's be inspired and motivated by successful Filipino entrepreneur, by successful overseas Filipino entrepreneur. Yes, marami nang nagtagumpay with ZY. Kasi dito, ito yung environment na ang focus is matupad ang pangarap mo. Ano ba ang pangarap mo? ZY Shop Major Distributorship Opportunity. Imagine guys, for Overruns business, you can start for as low as 25,000 pesos. Yes, for only 25,000 pesos, pwede ka nang maging boss ng sarili mo. Pwede ka nang maging boss ng future mo. Papalagpasin mo pa ba? You can also get a free financial consultation from a licensed financial advisor, Mark Jersey Garcia. You can go ahead and search him sa Facebook. As Overruns market is consistently growing in the Philippines, it is the best time for you to invest in this kind of business industry. Always remember 3 things bago ka mag-oo sa isang opportunity. Maraming opportunity na nagtatago bilang hard work. Ganun naman talaga. Wala namang nagtatagumpay ng hindi pinaghihirapan. Walang overnight success. Okay? Maliban na lang kung tumaya ka sa loto at nanalo ka. Wala din namang nananalo sa loto nang hindi tumataya. Kaya kailangan sa negosyo, tumaya tayo. Tumaya tayo dun sa negosyong alam nating panalo. Kasi sa Overruns market, it is already growing in the Philippines and this is the best time for you to invest in this kind of business industry. 3 things na good talaga ang opportunity. Unang-una, if the business industry is growing. Growing ba ang industry ng Overrun sa Pilipinas? Hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Kasi nga, branded na, mura pa. Pangalawa, is the market increasing? Increasing ba ang market natin? Big yes. Maraming tao ang papasok sa negosyo. Magpapahuli ka pa ba? Pangatlo, is the competition manageable? Yes. We are far away from our competitors. What we offer, they cannot offer. We are different, extraordinary. We are outrageous. Today, guys, you can basically set up an online store for nothing. One day, after nyo mapanood ang video na to, papasalamatan mo ko. Kasi, nagsimula ka nang magsimula ng negosyo mo. This is our warehouse. This is located at RCPJC Building, Centennial Road, Kawit, Cavite. Ito po ang pinakamalaking warehouse ng branded overruns at mall pulled out sa buong Pilipinas. Yes, sa buong Pilipinas. Ano? Ito po ay located at RCPJC Building, Centennial Road, Kawit, Cavite. Kung gusto nyong bumisita sa amin, open po kami. Pero meron tayong health checklist, thermal scanner, gloves, and of course, kailangan nating ang social distancing dito sa loob ng warehouse. Minimal lamang po ang pinapapasok namin. So, kung sigurado kang pupunta ka sa aming warehouse, i-message mo kami, i-send mo sa amin kung kailan mo target pumunta sa aming warehouse, at kung ilan kayong pupunta sa warehouse at ang date. Again, this is located at RCPJC Building, Centennial Road, Kawit, Cavite. What are the products that we offer? Meron po tayong mall pulled out and branded overruns. Alam nyo, kapag sinasabing mall pulled out, ang nakikita ng tao dyan is the word mall. Parang nakakalimutan nilang basahin yung salitang pulled out. Kaya ang expectation nila minsan sobrang taas. Lagi nating tatandaan na ito po ay mall pulled out, hindi valid sa display sa mall. So, bago pa yan maipasok sa mall, disqualified na yan for display. Kaya kailangan mag-iisip tayo ng 100 reason bakit nga ba hindi pumasa sa quality ang isang damit. Nonetheless, it is still in good quality. Branded overruns. From factory pa lang, disqualified na. Hindi na pasado sa QA. So, kung QA ka, diba, kung nag-check ka ng quality, no? Huwag mo nang i-check yung quality ng aming branded overruns kasi nga, ito po ay hindi pumasa sa quality. Right? Hindi ibig sabihin na manipis ang tela, overruns na. Meron nga kaming mga branded overruns, makapal pa ang tela sa mall pull out. Kasi, ang damit po, depende yan kung kailan ilalabas ng brand. For example, ang Dickies na brand, ilalabas niya ito in America. Sa America, merong 4 seasons, no? Merong, kumbaga sa Pilipinas, merong taglamig at tag-init. Kung ang target date ng paglabas ng damit ay tag-init, malamang manipis ang telang gagamitin. Okay? Same goes with kung taglamig naman ilalabas ang damit na ito o ang design na ito, malamang makapal ang telang gagamitin. So, it varies pa rin kung saan location ba ilalabas yan. For example, ang damit ilalabas sa Pilipinas. Karaniwan sa Pilipinas, tag-init. Diba? So, malamang manipis ang damit or ang tela na gagamitin. Again, hindi porket manipis, branded overruns. Hindi porket makapal, mall pulled out. Dito, tinuturuan namin kayo kung paano natin mahanap yan, no? Kung paano natin ma-identify. So, every Sunday, meron tayong Build Your Own Business Seminar para sa mga distributors. Ito yung Zesters Time na tinatawag kung saan nag-aaral tayo, pinag-aaralan natin kung ano nga ba yung ating mga produkto. Because the more you know the product, the more you will love the product. The more the product will love you back. It will give you thousands of folds. CY Major Distributorship Program plus you, kailangan ka namin para magtagumpay ka. Hindi kasi ito yung networking na kahit wala kang gawin, hindi ka magtatagumpay ka, no? Dito, surefire na ito. Rapid, mabilis, affordable, market penetration. Ito talaga yung target natin. Start, grow, achieve. All you need to do is to start your own business today. Teamwork makes the dream work. Kasi dito sa ZY, meron kang kaagapay. Yun yung pinakamagandang part nito. Starting a business is a bit challenging, but having someone to assist you along the way to achieve your dream is something different. Ano nga ba yung business partners package namin? We have the business package 1.1 worth 25K, 140 pieces small pulled out shirt, free shipping nationwide, free tarpaulin, free catalog, free DTI business name registration, free Aromagicare Therapy Oil, free ebooks for entrepreneurship, free perfume testers. We also have the package 1.2, 40 pieces small pulled out shirt for men, 40 pieces small pulled out shirt for ladies, 10 kids apparel, 5 men short, 5 ladies short, 5 pants, 5 sleepers, and 5 polo shirt. Again, may freebies po yan. Free shipping nationwide, free tarpaulin, free catalog, free DTI business name registration, free Aromagicare Therapy Oil, free ebooks for entrepreneurship, free perfume business tester. Business package 1.3, 40 pieces small pulled out shirt for men, 40 pieces small pulled out shirt for ladies, 10 kids apparel, 5 men short, 10 ladies short, 10 adult dress, 5 polo shirt, 10 sando men. Free shipping nationwide, free tarpaulin, free catalog, free DTI business name registration, free Aromagicare Therapy Oil, free ebook for entrepreneurship, free perfume tester, again, for as low as 25,000 pesos. Meron din kaming package 1.4. 70 pieces small pulled out shirt for men, 70 pieces small pulled out shirt for ladies, plus 20 bottles of 30 ml perfume. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang magkaroon ng sarili mong perfume line. Kasi ito, ganito lamang siya namin ibibigay sa'yo. Pero, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng sarili mong stickers. Sarili mong stickers. Gagawan ka namin ng sarili mong business logo. Sarili mong pangalan. Napakasarap ibenta kapag ang nakalagay sa label, pangalan mo mismo. Kasi ang paglago ng negosyo mo, yon ang goal natin dito. Ang focus ng environment natin sa ZY ay ang matupad ang pangarap mo. It also comes with the freebies. Free shipping yan, free tarpaulin, free catalog, free Aromagicare Therapy Oil, free DTI business name registration, free ebooks for entrepreneurship, free perfume tester na din po. So, 30,000, meron ka ng clothing business, meron ka pang perfume business. Sayong-sayo ang negosyo na to. Meron din tayong all-in negosyo package deal, ano? Business Partners package 1.5 with 70 pieces small pulled out shirt for men, 70 pieces small pulled out shirt for ladies, perfume line business, beauty products, 5 beauty soap, 5 beauty oil, and 5 aloha gel. Again, this is free shipping nationwide yan. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, free shipping nationwide yan via JNT. Free tarpaulin na yan, 2x3 tarpaulin. Free business catalog ni ZY Shop. Bakit may business catalog si ZY Shop, ano? Ito po yung business catalog natin. Yes na yes, gaano tayo ka-legit? Meron tayong sarili nating business catalog. So, sa business catalog natin, nandyan yung ating mga negosyo package offer. Kung hindi ka magaling sa online, hindi ka magaling sa social media, meron kang business catalog. No? Diyan, maipapakilala mo kung sino nga ba si ZY Shop. Nandito rin po yung ating mga business packages. Ipakita mo lang. Para kang si Avon and Natasha, meron kang sarili mong catalog dito. Kung saan pwede mong ipaliwanag kung ano yung mga offers natin, negosyo packages na offer natin, branded overruns and mall pulled out. Nandito po lahat yan. Nandito rin ang ating mga satellite sites. And what makes ZY unique? 10% ng profit natin napupunta sa ating outreach program. So, ayan. Dito maipapakilala mo si ZY Shop gamit ang business catalog na to. Mapapakilala mo ang mga zesters na ang tanging hangad ay ang matupad ang pangarap mo. Diba? Free DTI business name registration. Kailangan kasi, gusto ko, legit na legit ang negosyo mo. Free ebooks for entrepreneurship. Ang goal nun is magabayan ka sa pagiging entrepreneur mo. Free perfume testers na din yan. In short, meron ka ng clothing business, meron ka pang perfume line business. Magkano nga ba yung posible naman nating kitain kung all shirt yung package? Ang ating mga items, nare-retail yan ng nare-resell ng 250 ang isa. Kung ibebenta mo ng 250 ang isa, men and women, 35,000 ang kakalabasan. Ang kapital natin, 25,000. So, sumatotal, ang ating estimated profit is 10,000. Kung naman po, ibebenta natin ng retail, ang retail ng damit natin na mall pulled out ay 350 ang isa. 350 times 140, that is equal to 49,000. 49,000 less ang ating 25,000 na kapital, meron tayong malinis na 24,000 pesos. Ngayon ma'am, paano naman kung ang ating gustong package ay mixed RTW package? Lady shirt na 40 pieces, ibenta mo ng 300 pesos sa reseller. Men's shirt, 350. Leggings, 110. Havaianas, 400. Men's short, 400. Lady short, 250. Pants, 450. Polo shirt na 350. Dress na 250. 37,600 ang kakalabasan kung sa reseller natin binenta, no? So, matotal, ang ating estimated profit is 12,600. Kung i-retail mo, mas mataas ang ating posibleng kitain. Pero tatandaan mo, minsan, mas okay nang kumita tayo ng konti, pero mas mabilis. Kesa, malaki nga, matagal naman. Time is money and time is gold. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Yan ang ating law sa negosyo. Business name registration is part of your package. Dapat ma-register ka sa DTI. Alright? Hindi ibig sabihin na nagpa-register ka sa DTI, magta-tax ka na. Ang nagta-tax lamang po sa Pilipinas ay yung nag-i-income na ng 250,000 per year. Kung hindi ka pa nag-i-income ng 250,000, huwag ka matakot, hindi mo kailangan agad magbayad ng tax. Ang kailangan dito, registered ka sa DTI. Advantage, features, benefits ng aming mga major distributors. ZY as a direct selling company. ZY Business System, meron kaming membership categories. Meron kaming sarili naming Entrep Academy, the Filipino or the Academy for Filipino Entrepreneurs. May website din kami at meron kaming passive income. Exchange of non-moving items. Alam mo ba, si CY Shop lamang ay ang may kakayahang magpapalit ng non-moving items kasi kami yung pinakamalaking warehouse sa Pilipinas. Maaaring merong mga nag-o-offer pero itatanong mo muna ang kanilang kapasidad or kredibilidad pagdating sa bagay na to. Kasi baka it is part of the advertisement pero hindi nila kayang panindigan. Again, exchange of non-moving items without specified time. Kahit wala kang bibilin sa amin, pwede kang magpapalit ng non-moving items. Bakit masaya maging ZY Major Distributor o Business Partner? Meron kaming earn and learn concept. Lagi nating tatandaan, ano? Sabi ni Warren Buffett, the more you learn, the more you earn. Because ang maganda dito sa ZY Shop, tinuturo na namin. It is for free. Totally for free, ano? We have our own ZY Entrep Academy. Its goal is to support yung growth ng business mo. Ang focus kasi natin dito is matupad yung pangarap mo. Education is inexpensive. Transformation of employees to entrepreneurs. Yun talaga ang target natin dito. Enhancing the process, overall innovation, yan talaga ang target natin. Kasi dapat patuloy ang pagbabago, patuloy ang improvement ng negosyo. E-commerce business engagement. as we teach the fundamentals of digital marketing. ZY Entrep Academy, we have our social media marketing basic course that I conduct every Sunday po yan. We also have free online masterclass certificate in entrepreneurship to all ZY business partner conducted by Coach Jonathan Petalvier, the author of Masterclass for Creative Entrepreneurship, Program Director of Ateneo Center for Continuing Education's founder, the Sales Champ Network Academy. Kahit saan, pwede mong aralin ang free online masterclass for entrepreneurship na ito kasi ito ay merong sariling platform. All you need to do is to become our business partner. Dito sa ZY, isa lang ang konsepto. The more you learn, the more you earn. ZY Entrep Academy po. This is the first in the Philippines wherein the teachers are successful Filipino entrepreneurs. So excited ako na makita ka sa klase, makita ka sa webinars natin. Ito talaga yung bonding ng naming mga sisters, ano? We are learning together. We also have our Step Up program. Module 1 is all about the system of business ni ZY. Business Financial Module 1. Social Media Marketing and Business Financial Module 2. This is conducted by me and my husband, Mark Jersey Garcia, the Business Financial Management ng Z-Shop, no? So, this is a requirement sa lahat ng aming business partner. Once graduated ka na dito, pwede ka nang mag-proceed sa ating dropship process. Success habits, hopefully mag-join kayo sa amin and you can also join me sa ating live interview with the successful gold members. Every Sunday ito via Zoom, via live video din po ito, no? This is a Success Habits, a road to financial freedom. Sobrang saya kasi ang ini-interview natin dito are successful OFW, yung mga nakapag-settle na dito sa Pilipinas, yung teacher dati na ngayon ay entrepreneur na. Diba? Ito yung pinakamagandang part dito because we are sharing techniques, ano nga ba yung napagdaanan natin, ano ba yung mga possible na problema na kakaharapin mo na posible nating maiwasan. Kaya merong success habits because we are giving you the habits of the success na para gayahin natin, para mas ma-inspire tayo every day. Bakit masaya maging ZY Major Distributor? Discounted price list up to 30%. Bakit masaya maging ZY Major Distributor? Free financial consultation from a licensed financial advisor. Libreng-libre po. Ibig sabihin, mako-conceptualize mo ang building blocks mo, kung paano mo maa-achieve ang dreams mo. Ang mahirap kasi, may pangarap tayo. Pero ang tanong, paano mo aabutin? Kaya merong Entrep Academy. Kaya libre ang financial consultation sa C-Shop. Kasi ang goal natin dito, matupad mo yung pangarap mo. Let your business be known. Full marketing support tayo pagdating sa pagpo-promote ng negosyo mo. We have passive income. Meron tayong dropshipping process. Ibig sabihin, magkukuha ka lang ng orders pero warehouse na mismo ang magpapadala at magpoproseso ng orders mo. Wala kang gagawin. Share, copy, share, post. Copy, share, post. Yung commission mo, walang threshold. Every Sunday is commission day. Kahit na 100 pesos yan, 50 pesos, or 200 pesos yan, ipaprocess natin yan. Kasi ang goal natin dito, matulungan ka. Referral system. Pwede ka mag-refer ng gustong mag-business partner sa atin. The way we advertise, you can advertise too. For silver members only, you can earn up to 2,000 pesos. Membership categories, meron kaming silver, gold, diamond. Malalaman mo yan kapag distributor ka na at malalaman mo ang kagandahan kapag naging silver member ka na. Silver member kapag nag-avail ka ng aming 25K major distributor package and you will be called newbies. Aalagaan ka ng ating mga staff, aalagaan ka ng ating mga gold members hanggang sa maging gold member ka na din. Walang threshold. Ang kailangan lang dito, porsigido, sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon. So guys, we are looking for business partners in Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, UAE, and other countries na merong OFW, overseas Filipino workers na gustong maging overseas Filipino entrepreneurs. We are also looking for business partners in Oroqueta, Pagadian, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Lawag, Iloilo, Cagayan Valley, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Davao, Tarlac, Pampanga, Dau, Angeles, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Batangas, Laguna, Las Piñas, La Union, Baguio, Pangasinan, Dagupan, Samar, Sorsogon, Iligan, Tugigaraw, CDO, and Zamboanga. Actually, we are looking for business partners nationwide. Yun talagang may pangarap ha. Yun talagang gustong maging entrepreneur. Yun talagang negosyanteng Pinoy. Yun talaga yung hanap namin dito. Hindi yung gusto ko kasing magkaroon lang ng extra income. Well, kapag pumasok ka dito sa ZY Shop, soon, lalago at magiging mas malaki ang pangarap mo. So how's the process? All you need to do is to validate kung yung target area mo ba is available pa. Kapag sinabi ng staff na available ang target area mo, wag mo nang palagpasin. I-send mo na agad ang 2 valid IDs mo. At mag-avail ka na ng ating major distributor package na worth 25,000. Free shipping nationwide na yan, kaya 25,000 lang talaga ang kapital mo. Fill up the online order form via Google. Secured ang ating order form. Shipment of your package, hintayin mo lang na dumating yung package mo. Tapos, magbenta ka na agad. Tapos, mag-join ka sa ating BYOB or Build Your Own Business every Sunday para pwede ka nang mag-dropship para magawa mo na ang second part of your earnings. Auto-replace method tayo, FYI lang. You can only order brands and sizes. To avoid conflict with your order, please only provide brands and size. Sa sobrang laki ng shop natin, hindi natin kayang mag-cater ng specific designs. Lalo na, ang items natin, limited designs or limited stocks per designs. Kasi sobrang dami ng designs na available sa warehouse. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung kaya mong mag-walk-in ka na lang, mag-walk-in customer ka na lang para ikaw mismo ang mamimili ng brands, design, and sizes na o-orderin mo. No to specific designs and colors kapag order via online. Once brand is not available, auto-replace yan, pero ng new arrivals natin. Once you sign up as a major distributor, ano bang kailangan mo i-expect? I-add ka lamang ng aming staff sa ating mga group chat kung nakapag-join ka na ng ating Build Your Own Business seminar every Sunday. Via Zoom po yan. Isasend sa iyo ang link at mag-join ka lang. Makinig at alamin ang ating programa. CY Major Distributors, GC, i-add ka dyan. CY Products Only, bawal mag-chat dyan dahil created lamang ang GC na yan para sa ating mga produkto. All personal inquiries, i-communicate mo sa page admin na nag-assist sa'yo. Dapat kilala mo ang staff na kausap mo. Meron lamang tayong 5 staff sa ZY na nagsasagot. So we have Admin Joanna, Admin Jaylu, Admin Marjorie, Admin Bong, or Admin Jasmar, and Admin Donald Joseph. Career commitment days. Dapat alam mo din ang commitment ng JNT. 5 to 6 business days. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday is not included based on career notes. Sending of tracking number will be on the following day. Always remember ng ating shipping day is Wednesday and Saturday. Posting of tracking number is every Thursday and Sunday. We are now delivering faster in Cavite, Metro Manila, Laguna, and Batangas. Kasi kami dito sa ZY Shop, meron kaming sariling courier. Yan po ang ZY Express. Meron din kaming sarili naming customer care team na mag-aalaga sa mga complaints mo para mas maia-address natin ng mas mabilis ang complaints and concerns mo. Regarding your locking items, delay parcel, or lost parcel, we have our team who will assist you. Kaya huwag kang mamroblema kasi dito sa ZY Shop, bawat problema may solusyon. All you need to do is to email cshop.customercare@gmail.com. Or, pwede mo rin silang tawagan sa kanilang hotline at 0905-880-9339. Imagine your life a year from now. You are in your best shape. You have a thriving business. And out-earn your 9 to 5. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas na yung kinikita mo kesa sa sinasahod mo noon. Kung pwede namang pagsabayin, pwede namang may sahod at may side hustle. You are dating with your favorite person and you are happier than ever. Do you imagine your life like that? The only way to make all of the above happen is to take action today. So stop dreaming, guys, and start working. So start your own business today. Gusto ko lamang pong pakilala sa inyo na ang ZY Shop po is awarded for 2020 World Class Excellence Awardee and 2020 Asia Pacific Excellence Awardee. We are outstanding apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products direct selling company. So that's all for me today. Hope to see you at the top. So are you ready to begin? Come take the leap. Join us in this great adventure of entrepreneurship and see you at the top. May your dreams come true. This is Ram again from ZY Shop. Have a nice day.